Zavatra anisan'ny mampitaintaina amin'ny fiainana ny entretien d'embauche. Noforatsy ho an'olona maro io indrindra rehefa masika entiky les recruteurs. Nefa io matetika tsy maintsy adalovana rehefa hiditra HIASA. Ka ampahazoana kokoa antsika amin'io resaka entretien io navadikaroana ho concept vaovao arisy ty. Elana voly fa sady anomanana resaina hoe ahoana tsara marina zany entretien d'embauche zany. Ireto ary ny candidat efatra hifaninana ho recruter na orinasa androany. Fa sarotra kokoa azy dia ho atao amin'ny teny Anglisy raha anoray. Solo tena ny orinasa MRWay izay mpandefa malagasy manao stage professionnel 13 volana any amin'ny hôtel 5 étoiles any Amerika no recruteur voalohany. Ho anareo eto Madagascar liana amin'io stage io koa Tongava amin'ny forum de recrutement andeha amin'izao sabotsy 11 janvier zao ao amin'ny Radisson Blu tana waterfront amin'ny 7 jours maraina. Afahanao manao entretien avy hatrany amin'ny Amerikana tompony hôtel avo lentany. Raha liana ianao vao vita ty vidéo ty alefaso amin'ny ty mail ty ny CV anao hoentiko io CV io amin'ny sabotsy. De jero hatrany farany ty vidéo ty anomana anareo an'izany entretien d'embauche anglophone zany. Zay ny amin'iny fa apatsiro kokoa ny concept atsika vaovao ndray de ty recruteur voalohany ty ho ampina roa fa tsy tena izy. Ary naprisiana manokana mihitsy zareo hiavinavina asika ilavanina sy andrankitra. Mba ampivoraka tanteraka ny candidat efatra. Fa zay ho recruter amin'ny zareo efatra kosa dia azo 200 000 ariary fanomezana avy amin'ny Taptap senda sy MRWay. Tonga soa raha tomty concept miavaka vaovao be ty atsona hoe mba miasa re za tompoko. Tonga to amin'ny siège any MRWay ato amin'ny lasety Ivandro ny candidatsika efatra zao maraina zao formena momba ny fanontaniana mety hipetraka mandritra ny entretien d'embauche anglophone. Ary arriva ihany dia tonga direct ilay job interview. Ny mahatsara ny MRWay tena manana centre d'anglais miaraka amin'ny mpampianatra mba hiomanan'ireo alefa stage. Izaharana amin'ny resaka sy ny sisa ka manomboka ary ny formation.
Good morning everyone.
Good morning teacher.
Tout d'abord, c'est important la communication verbale et non verbale. Toujours être souriant.
Souriant, pas souriant.
Tenue vestimentaire, il faut que ça soit toujours professionnel.
How do you find the top?
You very good too, teacher.
So beautiful. Vous allez vous présenter. Tell us about yourself. My name is Aaron Ramanase, but you can call me Aaron.
Yes, it's me.
You can call me Sigel.
Vos expériences professionnelles, les études que vous avez faites liées à l'hôtellerie et la restauration.
Ft.Tefi
Afaka mandainga.
Tsy afaka mandainga. Teny zavatra mampiseho démarquer anao mihoatra amin'ny candidat.
Mandainga ça.
Et aussi vos loisirs, à vos faiblesses et à vos forces. Votre motivation pour le stage aux États-Unis.
Afaka miteny ve hoe dollar ny motivation?
Tia, ilay atao antsy na training fa tsy work.
Mahazo vola makany.
À partir amin'ny $15 de l'heure.
I like it.
24 heures zany ianao mahazo. Fa ianao nga hiasa pendant 24 heures. Ty volako.
Kega kosa imbola bio.
Marina hoe tia volantsika fa manoloana ny recruteur tsy afaka miteny hoe resaka vola ny motivation atsika.
Mandainga zany.
Mazava ho azy.
Ohatra zany ny resaka motivation mety hanananareo vous pouvez rencontrer de nouvelles personnes.
Dia ataoko an'izany marina.
Izy koa mety anontany hoe inona ny zavatra voatsanganao zany ohatra hatramin'izay. Ny zavatra tena mampafiera anao.
Fantako ary misahirana manatsangana.
Dia ahoana raha tsy manao inona mihitsy. Mandainga tika
Les recruteurs vont aussi vous demander par rapport à votre gestion de conflit.
Oui, hitanao rehefa misy problème.
Hitanao any Ukraine celui-ci misy conflit?
Non, c'est lié à l'hôtellerie et la restauration.
Oui, misy hôtel sy restaurant ny Russie Ukraine.
Tsy azoko.
Ohatra miteny ny client hoe ratsy be le sakafo ty dia ahoana zany ianao hoe miteny hoe anko tsy zany nanao an'io dia ina zareo zany.
Tsy zany nanao an'io.
Ka tsy zany. Zany mihitsy ny teneny zany tonga dia zany. Amin'izay zany mandresy.
Ay marina, zay teneny. Yes, c'est tenenu.
Ambition à nareo, où est-ce que vous vous trouvez d'ici 5 ans? Donc ce sont les questions que les recruteurs peuvent vous poser pendant l'entretien. Sarche? Sarche.
C'est ça une base, référé entretien anglophone?
Oui.
Ok.
Un carne entretien.
Let's begin.
Hello!
Would you knock first?
Can you knock?
Oh, okay, sorry.
Who is it?
It's Neptunia.
Come in.
Hello, you're so handsome, guys. Wow.
That was weird.
Can I sit, please?
I mean, you can, but you may not.
Thank you.
I just said you may not.
Barack Obama? Yeah, I'm gonna call you later. I'm at a job interview, so yes. Hello everyone. I am the new worker that you will looking for. Looking for.
Okay,
Yes.
so you should knock the door first.
No, man.
Yes, I should.
Show a little respect.
But I'm American. American doesn't show respect.
So am I, but I show respect.
No, you are not. I know American. You don't look like Barack Obama.
What you mean by looking like Barack Obama?
Am I not black?
Not black enough for you?
I mean, you white, sir.
Just sit down.
Thank you, sir.
Take a seat.
You started off
You're
very
okay.
bad.
We are professionals.
Hurry up. Take a seat.
Hurry up. Okay.
Hello.
No?
Oh no. Okay. Fine. As you see, I have a very cute smile.
Okay.
Kind of.
First of all, could you tell us about yourself?
Yes, of course. My name is Neptunia. I'm 25 years old and I'm so happy to be here with you guys, but I will be more happier if I was in the United States of America.
Guys, we're not friends.
Remember that this is a professional workspace?
Sorry, yes, but you also can call me Neptu because we are a big family right now.
Okay.
My name is Ft.Tefi, but you can call me Rasigle. That's like my nickname for those who want to work with me. So I think you guys want to do it, right?
No.
Not now, not yet.
Okay, I'm 23.
You look like you're like 60 or something.
You too. I thought we were talking about respect. You guys don't respect me.
Why the hell would I respect you?
Because you guys need me.
Why do I need you?
We have so many applicants waiting on the list.
And I have so many job interviews too.
So you ain't got the time? You can leave if you want.
No.
Okay.
Tell us about yourself.
You deaf?
Yeah, sorry. My name is Fideran, but people call me Fi.
That's a phrase, that's not a name.
How do you spell that?
F-E-E, like
the
that.
skull fee or the fees?
Is that a name?
Yes, it is. My mom called me like that. She created that name, so that is a name.
She created it.
Yeah.
Okay, so you're the only person who's called Fi.
No, I don't think so.
So she didn't create it.
Yeah.
My name is...
And also, we're germaphobes. We don't like things.
You don't
from
like what?
outside on-
Like me. I hate it. Yeah. My name is Aaron Romanassi, but you can call me Le Petit Poussé from Analamines. I just turned 30 a few months ago, so I really need this job.
Tell us about your background and experience.
My background experience, you know Novotel? It's mine. So I have a big background behind me.
You have a big back.
So that's me.
Thank you. I'm American, like you said.
Yes, I am too. Nice to meet you. Yes, so I have a 3 degree, one in IT, the second in business, and the third one in hotel management.
What kind of degree? Bachelor, master?
Master. I'm a very big master.
Yeah, very big.
Yeah.
Huge.
Question. You own the hotel?
Yes, I own the
So
hotel.
why are you
Build it myself.
applying to this job?
Because I want to help you guys and give you my experience, give you all that I have to help little people like you to just grow.
Little people?
Just because you're big doesn't mean we're little.
That's literally what that means.
You disrespect. Okay.
I've been to New York, and do you know the Plaza Hotel in New York?
Of course.
Of course. My uncle is the owner of that hotel. He called me to get some experiences, to serve clients, to clean the room.
You were a cleaner.
Yes.
So you're a maid.
A maid.
You're a maid.
Can you repeat, please?
Are you a maid?
What is maid? No, I'm not a maid. I just got some experiences.
In being a maid.
What is maid?
She doesn't know what a maid is, I
Sorry.
think. Okay.
First of all,
What?
first of all,
What?
first of all,
I think she doesn't know how to pronounce it.
first of all, I studied at ISCAM. I have a master in business international. I work in all of countries around the world.
All the countries around the
Yes.
world.
How many countries are in the world?
Many.
Can you give the exact number?
100.
112.
You're right.
So you suck at geography, basically.
Sorry?
Yes, you're sorry. Okay.
I was jobless since I was born. You know, I want to be an influencer, but you know, it's hard. There is so many people who are good at it, like mdg.aesthetics. So the opponents are very rude. Excuse me. I like to make people laugh.
No background.
But I'm open-minded, so I think I will be good at...
You're open-minded.
I am open-minded, sorry. I like to talk to people like Americans.
Are you gay?
No. When I'm stressed, I have a little voice, so I sound gay, but I'm not.
What are your hobbies?
Playing guitar.
Do you know about paddle?
Paddle?
You guys not rich at all. Paddle is like, you know, tennis, but indoor.
I think that he's a bit full of himself.
This is not confidential. This is confidence.
How do you play that? Can you show them?
Yeah. You are like that? You guys don't do that?
No.
No, we don't do that.
We play real sports.
Yeah, that's because you're poor.
People who play basketball that gain, I don't know, millions of dollars while playing is poor. But okay.
Excuse me, LeBron James?
Okay, rich sport.
My passion are basketball, doing videos.
What kind of videos?
Funny videos.
Oh, so no R-rated videos.
No.
So you're funny?
Sometimes.
Okay, because you don't come out as funny. You come out as kind of scary.
That's right, I need this job, so you can tell everything you want.
I love cooking, and that is related to your target.
That's wonderful.
Yeah, I know.
Because you look like someone who doesn't know how to cook well.
Do you want me to cook for you?
No.
Okay.
What is your greatest strength?
My greatest, is
My greatest?
strength.
Yes?
Like I'm very cheerful person and joyful.
Okay, so like none. Okay.
My face. It's freaking beautiful, guys. Don't you see?
Yeah, for Halloween.
You guys are so freaking mean. I'm not here for that.
It's not our fault if you're weak.
Okay, so I also speak very good with clients.
With who?
The customers. Yeah, sorry, because I speak French too. I don't think you guys do that because yeah.
Let us have manners. Would you like some coffee, tea, or water?
Yeah, water, please.
You said you wanted water.
To drink.
You should have brought it yourself. We are looking for proactive people.
I can change quickly.
Like a chameleon?
Fast to the situation.
Like you transform? Like a transformer?
Can you please stop looking at me like that?
We're supposed to. Do you want us to look like at the wall? That would be very weird.
Okay, I can adapt to every situation.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm very wise and I know how to sit good. In Madagascar we say,
What do you mean by sitting good?
If one customer is angry, I will tell I'm sorry and I sit back and I'm waiting for the recommendation.
We'll get back to that one. Any weaknesses we should know about?
My forehead, it's too big.
We might call it a 5-head then.
Can you show your forehead to us?
Jesus Christ!
Oh my God.
It was shining bright like a diamond. Damn, that was crazy. That was insane.
Okay, sorry.
It's good that you
Sorry
have
for
enough hair. I have a question for you. Is this glass half empty or half full?
Half full.
Wrong. It doesn't exist.
Okay.
Not proactive. Your forehead is crazy.
I'm very perfectionist person. I try to solve this problem. It's not easy, but I know I should.
So she's weak. Yeah.
I am a very kind person and people profit of me.
Okay.
My weakness right now is you guys, but I'm not gonna mention that.
There was also your face, which was a weakness.
I don't like to work with people that don't work as hard as I do.
Okay.
That was actually the...
I surprised you guys. I surprised you guys.
Honestly, that was the only good response. Even your name was wrong. What motivates you to do this internship in the US?
Besides, money.
Nah, that doesn't motivate me at all.
Oh, so you're rich?
Of course. My uncle is the owner of the plaza, so...
Your uncle sends you and your family money?
Sometimes.
You get easy money?
Yeah.
That is absolutely horrible.
What motivates me is new experiences, and I also want to meet new people.
So, for example, for your internship, you won't be paid. Would that be okay with you?
It's okay for me.
Because you're rich.
Yeah, because I'm rich.
Wonderful.
Wonderful, I know.
The relationship with the humans.
You like humans, so you hate
know the
animals.
contact.
Do you not like
No,
animals?
I like everything in the world.
You like
because
everything in the world, and how about space?
I love space because my name is Neptunia. It's from Neptune.
So why didn't you precise that? Proactivity 0.
Anything else?
I love flights.
You can fly to, I don't know, Mauritius.
Or New York.
You can also take the boat.
I don't like boats.
Go on a cruise. You don't like boats?
Yes, I don't like that. I like flights to go in New York City of the United. I don't know how to do. Yes.
US, just
Yes.
the US.
You love space.
Yes.
And you like flying.
Yes.
So you like being high.
Yes.
Oh, so she likes being high.
Being high.
Okay, no, we heard you. We heard.
And just so you know, we are against that.
No drug policy.
Of course, I don't like marijuana or
You just said you like getting high.
in the sky.
You.
Hitting on the interviewer.
And also, I didn't go on my home country for like so long right now. We're like 2 weeks, so I want to come back.
It's not money. I hate money. I like the experience and I like to
move it.
Yes, I like it too. But I like the United States of America. You know, Donald Trump.
Why?
And his dance like...
You're not here to dance.
Okay,
Why?
sorry. It's one of my passions.
Can you dance?
Dancing is your passion?
Yes.
Okay, show it to us.
1, 2, 3. Te soucivé, oui, te voulez, no.
How do you handle difficult guests or customers?
I say, pardon me, sir or madame.
Sir?
Or madame.
What is sir?
It's salt in Madagascar, I think.
Ah, sira.
Yeah, I think.
So you speak the salt?
No, the person, the man or the woman.
Sir.
Sir. Okay. After that, I try to smile.
You only try, you don't do.
And then I propose like 2,
3,
4, 5, 6, and 10.
She doesn't know how to count.
You try to...
To calm down the person.
Okay, so
How do you calm down the person? How?
Do a little kiss here.
That is very disrespectful.
If they're a bad customer, I'ma just do this. Like this.
Okay.
Man. Yeah.
aggressive.
Nah, in Madagascar,
you beat women.
No, sir.
No, customers can be women too. So you beat women.
No, sir.
You do that,
yeah.
I don't like him.
I don't like him either.
Now, in Madagascar, that means, sir, you're not kind. If you're not kind, I'm gonna fuck you up.
By the help of the Holy Spirit, He gave me the strength. I cannot handle these people by myself. I need His help.
I'm an atheist.
God bless you.
And how would He help you?
He gives me peace.
So, but how? What do you say to guests then? You say peace?
I pray for the Holy Spirit to give me peace, and suddenly I got peace. And when I talk to the horrible customer, I got peace with him, and I talk gently to him. Because you are an atheist, maybe you cannot understand what I am saying, but I pray that one day you will.
Let's role play. I'm a customer. Hello?
Hello.
Don't touch me. I did not consent to that.
Okay, I'm sorry for that.
Okay, I need a room.
What kind of room? Expensive?
Suite.
I give you that just one time. Hello? Give me one room. Yeah, the beautiful one for our big customers.
Big? Did you just call me big?
Big.
No, did you just call me big?
Big money.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
Okay, it's good.
What's your job here?
I'm the manager.
You don't look like a manager.
And you look like a rich man?
Sorry.
I just look like a rich man?
With that pant? I don't think so, but...
So you're judging by the way I look?
No, only God can judge. Me, I just give rooms.
Take my bags.
Okay, it's good, it's invisible.
Where are we going?
To the room.
I need like a wheelchair or something, because I don't want to walk.
Okay, take a seat.
Yeah, thank you.
You want water?
No, coffee.
It's invisible like your baggage. I'm not your cans.
Nah, bro, this is bullshit. I don't want to talk to the manager. I want to talk to someone higher. Get out of my face. Get out of my face. I'm about to fuck you up, bro.
We're gonna end this scenario.
Okay. I was about to give him a correction.
He would have given you the correction.
Fuck you up, my nigga.
I'm not a nigga.
You handled it very badly.
Oh, man.
With So many applicants. Why should we hire you?
That's like a question that you guys should answer, not me. I won't do your job.
I'm respectful and I'm a very sensitive person. So I can know the feelings before you tell words to me and something like that.
What am I feeding right now?
You're very happy to see me there with you.
What if there's someone better?
They won't be as comfortable as I am right now.
So are you a chair or a bed?
Nah, I'm a real nigga. I'm gonna handle it good. I tell you guys need a escort girl, I will give it to him. Maybe if you want weed, I will buy it.
Oh, talking about that.
I want to make people comfortable.
Are you?
Yes, I'm gay.
I was gonna ask if you take drugs, but
Yeah, okay.
So you're happy?
Yeah, I'm happy.
Okay, he's gay happy.
I am a very sociable person.
The last guy said that.
I speak English very well.
Like a lot of applicants too.
Anything special about you? Something that takes you out of the norm?
Do you know what songing means?
Is that English?
Yeah, it is. I just learned it
just-
from school this
Okay.
week.
Why are you applying for a job when you're still in school?
Mean university, but if you mind, you will listen to me. I am a very happy person who loves sharing their happiness. A singing person is also a person who is not lazy or tired easily. Like I can work for 24 hours straight.
Understand what she's saying?
I think so.
I'm sorry, he understands. You can ask him later.
Before I tell you why you should hire me, let me tell you why you shouldn't hire the three other people. If you look closer to Tefi, he has a hole in his hair. If he can't take care of his haircut, how he will treat the customers? He can't take care of them. And Fi, she has already been to the United States a few months ago. So
Have you never been? Okay.
she will underestimate the opportunity you give. And the last one, Neptunia. Okay, she's my wife, but don't take her because she will buy useless things like glass jar for the salt or the sugar. If you give me the money, I will pay my rent.
How'd you pay your rent now?
Yeah.
I sell my body.
Oh, prostitution.
Oh, I don't judge.
Apparently it's
I don't judge.
Only
Things can happen.
So you did already answer with so many applicants why we should hire you. The response wasn't really it because you were throwing your wife under the bus.
She's very expensive, so
Did anyone force you to marry her? Blink twice if you're okay. Blink twice if you have
I'm
problems.
not very good at numbers.
Where do you see yourself in 5 years?
In the US.
I mean, I don't even see myself in 2 hours, so. But in 5 years, I see myself with my buddy Barack Obama.
You always talk about Barack Obama. Is that your only friend?
I have a lot of friends. I know
P. Diddy?
P. Diddy is like actually a good friend of mine.
I can see that.
He didn't call me for a while now, so I don't really know why.
So you don't see yourself anywhere in 5 years. You could be dead. Okay.
I mean, maybe with you guys,
Dead with us?
or with you.
No. I said no like 10 times.
The penthouse in New York have a lot of food in my fridge. My fridge, sorry.
Fridge.
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 Mercedes-Benz car in my parking
How
here.
could you afford all of that?
By working.
Working as a...
Her uncle.
No, listen to me. I own my own restaurant. Have you already heard about Fi restaurant?
I heard the Jufi.
That's part of my business.
I hate those juices.
Oh, that's your opinion. That's not a fact.
A lot of people hate it.
I got money from that, so it's okay.
Where do you see yourself in 5 years? You know, besides homeless, poor,
Yes.
ugly, big ass forehead.
Okay.
I'm not finished.
Okay?
Okay, I'm finished.
I see myself in the United States if you give me the opportunity.
Doing what?
The job you give.
If I tell you to clean the toilets of the hotel, would you be okay with it?
Yes, if you give me dollars, no problem.
Okay.
But money, it's not my
What's
motivation.
your price range?
My price range.
Price range.
I have a lot of price range.
How much money are you looking for? $300? $500 be okay with you.
$500 a year.
I don't go to the United States to be paid like in Madagascar, man.
I have one last question for you. If you were a cocktail, what would be your ingredients?
Tequila. because I'm a strong woman.
I think tequila is just an alcohol, not a cocktail.
Yeah, I think. So are you alcoholic?
Ingredients.
Okay, I will be sugar because I'm sweet.
You want us to get diabetes? Diabetes is a very big issue.
You could have been at least, I don't know, brown sugar.
Brown sugar because I'm black. Oh my god, you're a racist.
The lemon that you put on cocktails, I would be useless, but you know, I'm there to be beautiful.
Give me 2 ingredients.
Maybe sugar or spice. I'm gonna spice things up, you know?
That was a good one. I'm gonna give you that much.
Yeah, I was thinking about ice spice with a fat ass with it.
What did you just say?
Sugar.
Everyone sugar this.
You guys are not original.
Sugar. Because you've said it. Earlier, she said, I am like a sunshine.
Is sunshine sweet?
Yeah, of course. Every time you see a sunshine, it's like, oh, I'm killing. Can't you see that I am so sweet?
2 ingredients, please.
I am so...
Sausage?
No.
Sausage?
You know sausage?
Saucisse?
You know sausage?
What is that?
A little bit. I've been to Madagascar a couple of times.
Ah, so you know sausage? No, it's not sausage. It's vinegar.
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 In a cocktail?
Yeah.
That is horrible.
Yeah, I know.
Have you ever had alcohol in your life?
No.
Okay, makes sense, makes sense.
Do you know why? Because...
It's disgusting.
No, it's not. It's so sour.
She's saying she's sweet and sour.
Oh, I got the point.
It took some time. It was absolutely a horrible joke, but you know.
A maro, because in Madagascar we say maman cocktail, you know? So I will put one. So I will call my mother maybe, and we'll do a beautiful cocktail.
And what would the second ingredient be?
My father can't come, so... I will say lemon.
So do you add any alcohol in it?
No, no alcohol. My mom can drink alcohol.
So it's just lemon.
Just lemon.
Just lemon and your mother. Okay. I don't know if that would be a good cocktail.
We thank you for coming. We have your dossier. We will keep contact.
Okay, but last but not least, bye.
Okay.
Goodbye. Big love.
But you don't have my number though, so how you call me?
No.
I think it's time for us. Psych! Got him!
Yeah, you gay too. I can feel it.
Yes, he is.
You sure you guys don't want my number?
No,
Nope.
we don't.
Get your fat ass out of here.
He's not that fat.
Please leave, sir.
I hope that I will see you soon.
You might hope so, yeah.
You might hope. Keep
Okay.
hoping. Keep hoping.
Okay.
And we bid you farewell.
What?
We bid you farewell. Leave.
You can go.
Get up and get
Take your
out.
dirty ass bottle.
Yeah, you're.
I love you.
You sure?
We're gonna call the police if you don't leave.
Okay, I'm gonna go.
What's 911's number again?
911.
Hey, bye.
We already heard that
We
one.
heard that.
Yeah, fuck you.
Before the deliberation, if you're abroad and you need to send money to your family and friends in Madagascar, just use the app Taptap. It's fast, easy, secure and instant, zero transfer fees. You can also use my promo code TOP to get a bonus of $10 or $5. I killed the butterfly. Mamulul. Let's go for the deliberation.
Rehefa nataony fanisanany point, T-I-F-I. Dit-il avant sur salaire que
Eu acho que era nareo ti concept avô. Ti teno na tá, ne face. Era nareo ti concept avô. Ti teno na notre commentaire. Azadini forum de recrutement ni en janvier au Radisson Blu sur genre de kestaret. Je dani mdg.aesthetics aussi. Tiano de sur genre MRWay. Thanks for watching. Bye.